And welcome back. It is Thursday, and it's time to create something new with our DIY expert, Shannon Quimby.
Today she has a fun project for anyone who could use a little help organizing some of their art supplies for those of us who brought lots of activities home. Welcome back to Shannon Quimby. Good morning.
Good morning, ladies. How are you?
Good,
Fabulous.
good. How are you?
I'm good, and I'm organized.
Yay!
I was going to say, you're showing us how to make this colored pencil organizer today. This is so cute. I feel like this takes all of our, just arts and crafts things that pile up in a drawer and turns it into like an art piece on your desk.
Exactly. And I was inspired by this because my colored pencils, I used to have them in this, but when they get shorter and shorter, I can't find them.
Yeah.
So, and then they always end up like in a box, right? Or like in a junk drawer. So, first thing I want to do is I went to Parr Lumber, which is fantastic. I just drove through, which was fantastic. Didn't even have to get out of my car to get the wood. And I just got, this is a 4x4. I like to use 4x4 because it stabilizes so it won't tip over.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Good tip.
Okay. Yeah, good tip. So then the next thing is you want to get a ruler and a pencil, and you're just going to mark. I'll give you an example here. So this is actually a 4x4, but if you measured, it's 3.5 by 3.5.
No,
What?
Scandalous. Wow.
Yeah,
It's like
I
a
know,
subway foot long. It's not a foot.
Yeah, yeah.
Just
So
like
you
just
pick
like
mark,
Just like that.
and you're gonna do it an inch apart on each one, but diagonal. So like that. So you're gonna go inch, 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 and the next row diagonally inch, inch.
Gotcha.
Okay. And the reason why is because then when you want to grab a pencil and pen, you can get your fingers through it easier.
unless you have really fat fingers, right? Then I might need to do it wider.
Yeah, I know. We'll have a whole DIY segment on that.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so the next you want to get, this is a 3/8 inch drill bit, and you want to get a specifically a wood drill bit. I got it at Ace. Up in my neighborhood store, which I love Chris and John. And so then basically when you've marked that with a pencil and a ruler, then you just start drilling the hole like that.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
How far down do you go?
Yeah.
Now can you see this? I'll put it next to my shirt. There's a little blue line here on my, that's cheater. So what I did is I took some painter's tape and I marked it around. So visually, when I go down, I can see, I don't want to go any farther.
Oh,
That's
okay.
a cool idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And so I went about an inch down because you don't want to go too far down because that ruins the whole purpose of using smaller pencils because then they'll fall in the deep hole.
Right.
Good point.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So then next up is, oh my gosh, just dropping stuff everywhere. You want to sand it. Oh, I missed a step. So before you start, you want to make sure that the wood's all clean.
Oh, okay.
Wipe it down.
Sanded, yep.
Okay. Then what you want to do is there's going to be some frays here, and you're going to take a sand block. This is a 150 grit sandpaper, and you're going to sand over this, get in the corners, get in the grooves. If you want, you can get like a little smaller piece of sandpaper, do the same thing in the circles so it's nice and soft.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then I kind of punched it up a little bit. What I did is you just take some tape and you go around like that. And you just want to paint. I actually forgot to open my lid of can here. Oh yeah, there we go. I just painted around the edge just to give it a little, designs, like that.
Yeah. It's like
Edge.
a little color block kind of design.
Oh, nice pun.
Yeah.
Color block.
Color block
She's
for your
clever.
colors in a block.
Yeah.
So paint that all around, and you can paint the bottom if you wanted to. And then the last step, so to keep this from not getting all gritty and grimy, I use this Howard's Butcher Block conditioner. I use this on a lot of my wood surfaces. It's a nice conditioner that you want to go over the exposed wood.
Oh.
So you just take a cloth and you wipe it around like that. And it also kind of lets the wood kind of glisten and sheen. I like how it shines up like that. And You want to let that set for about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And then you just wipe off the excess stuff.
Nice.
Very nice.
Well,
And
I'm
then
going to have
voila.
to make one and then go through my 10-year-old's room and get all those
Find all those
pencils all
pencils.
over the carpet that are there right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
Very cute. Cute idea. Thank you, Shannon. So for a
You're
list of materials and the step-by-step instructions if you want to make your pencil organizer at home, we'll have all of that for you from Shannon on KOIN.com. We'll see you next week.
All right. It is 8:19 right now.